Okay, we're back with the final assembly of this 1958 Tonka Ford truck. Very rare truck. I don't know why I told and said that a bunch of times, but it is. It's one of my favorite trucks to restore. Today we're going to do the bed. There's an old bed that has the chains on it. In the first video I showed you, now I'm gonna show you how to install the little chains and everything. But this particular model, that's what makes it so rare. They had this little wire here. It goes right here. So you could, the only purpose is for your tailgate. It goes right in that little slotted area. Everything's slotted. And it just, no brainer, just drop it in there. And you'll see the line holes, you see them on top here, that's where your rivets are gonna go. But you could use these rivets if you want. But I recommend, if you're gonna customize it, that you use these, or if it's just a custom way, you could use regular rivets too. I don't see a problem with it, unless you really want to use them. But I try to just get it all squared up, make sure that it's gonna line up on there right for the tailgate and everything. Right? You might have to stretch it a little bit. It's just sheet metal, so you get it. They're old. I find them all rusty, and I try to do the best I can. So what we want to do here is get this guy in there. So you could even take it out. This is the way you do it. Actually, get it like that. Put it in there like that.
What are you guys doing?
Slide this in there and it should fall right in place. Look, there it is. See? Then your rivets go over the ladder slots. Stop. Pause it. Okay, we're back. Today we're gonna put the fenders and finish off the truck. And these fenders, they go just like that, and they only go one way, so you can't put it the other way, because I don't know, really, I don't think you can, but that's not the way they go. They only go one way. And you just, same thing, it's all slotted. You just find your slot, take your time. You don't want to scratch the truck up, and you find the slot, tilt it up if you need to, and it'll clip right in there. Same thing on this side. Find the slot, tilt it down a little bit. And there you go. And you get this other side. Find slot it. It should just pop right in place. Bada boom, bada bang. There you go. And same thing here, you get your tabs. Open your tailgate. Use your tabs as far as you can. And then I'll use some masking tape here in a minute to well, there she is, almost done. All I gotta do is put the rivets and the chains, and we're good to go. And the chains are pretty easy. We gotta touch it up there a little bit. Yes, we're back with that 58 restoration. This is the 58 that I restored. It's almost completely done. I put the chains on it and got them right here. They're gonna go in the back here. Pretty simple. You just get them, and there's this little change you can buy on it from on eBay, and you just hook them right here. One side over here, actually was on the. Let's see, just get it right there. Get it? Cinch it down. And then we're ready for action. Bang. There it is. Sweet. And they just do the same thing on the other side. Open it up. Tad. Just gotta have patience, so a lot of people, it is kind of tedious work, but just patience. Once you get it on there, you cinch it. And you're ready to go. 1958 classic Ford, very rare truck, beautiful truck. Like
You know what 22nd Street is northwest?
videotaping.
20.
And just get it on there. There you go. And then do this side, and you're ready to go. Like it would be on. Oops. Take it off, just like it would be on a real truck back in that time period. Very rare truck. Cool truck. Well, you get the idea. There it is. I just gotta rivet it on and we're good to go. And the rivets I use are gonna be, I painted them so they're not quite ready, so I'll have that here in a minute, so just stay tuned if you want to see that video. Thank you. Yes, these are the Tonkas that I usually get. I find them on eBay mostly, or the yard sale or the flea market, but this is a 58. See how it has the lines? It has a 4 in the sheet metal, 4 lines in the sheet metal. This is a same truck that this is, except this is a 1960. This was a camper special, but it's the same truck. It just has the 3 lines. Same grill almost, but this way they would, I get them and I make them into that. And this is another, the frame where I use to usually have to cut some of the metal and customize it and make it work, but I'll show you they're really Tonka tough. And that is one of my Tonkas that I restored. Very proud of them. So hope you like my videos. And I got more coming along, so.
And mention that's the stock ride height.
That's the stock height of the original, and that's my lowered truck. See the difference?